your best place for natural hair care, self-care, lifestyle. Alright, keep quiet now. Let mommy do a video, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, your best place for natural hair care, self-care, wig reviews, and lifestyle. If you know you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please stop, bro, sis. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell button so that you never miss a video from me again. Without wasting so much of your time, let's get into the video of this wig review. Alright, love, so today we're gonna review this lovely synthetic wig called Latisha. I got this from the What Lace collection, Sensational. It's a HD Swiss lace front, and I got this from Sam's Beauty at the $53. So it's a 13 by 6 HD lace front. It gives you an illusion of lace frontal, and the wig is so lovely, guys. I love this wig. I love this wig. So you see those baby hairs, they're so lovely baby hairs. They're so cute. The wig is somehow shiny, but I don't mind the shiny nature of the wig, so it's still good. I got this in the color 1. It's black. See that baby hair and see that hairline. So the wig cap itself is stretchy and very breathable, and you see it's got 2 combs on the sides and 1 comb on the back. And yeah, so see that hairline. That hairline is so dope. Yeah, so we're gonna see how close to my skin tone it is. The lace is bomb. So I'm just trying it on right now to see how it fits on my head. I can say that it's really small head friendly because my head is small, so it's small head friendly. So let's go ahead and lay this wig. Don't mind me. Just playing around. So grab a brown wig cap, and I'm gonna do the ball cap method, where I'm just gonna lay the wig cap and glue it down. So I'm just gonna fast forward this entire process. Sit down and enjoy. I got my Got2b spray right here. I'm just gonna spray that in my hairline and blow it out with the blow dryer, using the Got2b glue to just melt down the front part again. There you go. And get those edges. Don't take it personal. So if you have a press-on powder or a finishing powder like this one I got from MAC, you can apply that onto your wig cap to make it seamless and look like scalp. So I'm also pressing the powder on the wig itself because we're not tinting any lace, so we're just trying to create that flawless effect. So that's why I'm applying the press-on powder to the hair. So I'm just pressing on the wig onto my head. And go ahead and cut off the lace. Sorry, I'm looking down so you can't really see the mirror I have that I'm looking onto is really down there, so I'm really apologize for that. So let me just come closer so you see the effect of the powder. It makes it look so seamless. You can't really tell. So that's the secret. That's the secret of applying that if you're not tinting your lace. So that works really good. If you have like a foundation or a press-on powder that's close to your skin color, that works beautiful. All right, so right here I'm just gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs and lay them down and tie them down. So you can put it in a bun like this to to get the hair out of the way. Grab a mousse, use any mousse of your choice, and just lay the baby hairs down. That would do. And now this is the finished look. I went ahead and did my makeup off camera because I'm not a makeup guru. So there you have it. That's style number 1. That's the middle part. So I just use a comb and just split the hair in the middle, and then use a hot tooth comb and then press on in the middle. Then use the press-on powder again to make the line in the middle more visible. So there you have it, very flowy and lightweight too. The hair is very lightweight and textured. It's a textured hair. I really love it. I love the feel of it. It's light. You see how textured it is. If a natural goes, this, if you like natural hair, the way natural hair feels, that's how it feels. So I'm just gonna part the hair by the side. That's style number 2. So you could either wear it in the middle part or in the side part, whichever way you like it, that best suits you. And I didn't brush the hair out, so I plan on wearing the hair like this for a couple of weeks before brushing the hair out. I really wanted the curls to still be there, to buy some time, so I didn't go ahead and brush it out. So you could, if I brush the hair out, it's gonna look very full, but I didn't brush the hair out because I want it to last that much. So it's up to you, your preference. So style number 3, you could also do a half up and half down style. You see, I tell you, this hair is the bomb. It's so versatile. You can do so many styles, so many things with it. That's why I say it's very beginner friendly. You see, I didn't have any time to pluck the edges and even the baby hairs. I didn't do anything. I just took it out of the box and just laid it on my hair. That's it. That's not a cute style you could do. And the last and final style you could do is just put it in a bun up and you're good to go. As if I tell you, this has been my go-to. I just put it on, and as I'm a mom, this is good. It's so good, guys. So that's the hair. Thank you all so much for watching, and go watch other videos. Love you all and God bless. Bye guys.